Kajing Ther u Lapbah ha kini kisngi kelapoi hadu uput bagi Jaboh pat ki Jakhlia kila sakut hasilan Ther jangkawa Ganol hawas Garo Hills District. Kat kum kajing ethu do menteri badai pej katran boarding u 80 mondal ula ong bakite ki Jaboh ki bapoi syakate kadam kidei ki bala berat harut ki wa bat kumta haba ka ka klan na kajing Ther uslam karong no bak hadu banda poi syadam bat lang ha katu kajaka. Ula ethu ru ba mardor ula batha ki bor badai pej Barla kmirenti ba mardor and sapan khut no yakite ki Jaboh.
See, this is not the first time it happened earlier also. This is not directly they are dumping at the project site. Actually, when heavy rain is there, the rain water from the neighboring areas carries the debris, then forest waste, and also the garbages accumulated in the nearby market, homestays, and also from the picnic spot where the plastics are left over, all are carried and it gets accumulated. This is a serious issue, and I am in constant touch with DC, and I have instructed to take remedial measures as far this is concerned. He has visited the site yesterday, and tomorrow also he is sending the videos to sensitize the people in the upstream, including the homestays, the markets, and all these things, and we'll have to monitor this one for continuously, else it will repeatedly happen. Whenever rain will come, they will carry all the garbage upstream. As far cleaning is concerned, our MEPGCL people are on job, and today manpower has been collected because not everybody can go and remove those debris. We need people who are expert. Today they have been brought in at the site, and camps have been made. By tomorrow morning they will start cleaning the debris, whatever garbage is there, as per the information reached to me. So this is at present. In future we'll have to sensitize all people living in the upstream of the river not to dump garbage directly to the river that side, because as long as no rain is there, they remains in that site. But whenever rain comes, water swells and it carries all those things to the dam site. So this is a serious issue. We got to look into it. I have had a word with already with Honorable Chief Minister Sir also, and he also agreed that we should have some mechanism through which we can placate this type of situations.